Hey guys, it's Kai Dev, and today I decided I wanted to make a big Roblox game, but I realized I don't get the money to fund it. So today I'm making day one to make a game to help me fund my big game. So don't forget, like and subscribe. Well, today the goal is to make a small idle tower game, something simple that can also make money. So I can use that to fund my game later. You know, nothing too crazy, nothing too big, because you know, I'm just now learning Roblox. So we're gonna learn how to script and all that type of things. Might use a model in there, but yeah, here we go. So now, after we finish the name, we're going to make the leader stats where it shows the person how much energy they have. You know, this part I was semi-confused, but I was understanding. So I just changed the name to leader stats and I insert the code this part. So you see I'm putting in leader stats and then I import the code that I have. You see? Now it's time to test. And as you see in the top right, you can see that it's displaying the energy that the character has. So, you know, that part was quite easy. Let's get to the next part. The next script that we have to make. So the reason I decided to delete the script and import another one is because of something that was not right inside the script. As you see now, I'm about to import a command that gives the player 100 energy. And you see at the top right. As you saw, when I put the command and I left it at 100, I left it rejoined, it was broken. I don't know what was going on. I started to look at the code to see if there was anything in it, but I couldn't find what was wrong. And at this point in time, I was confused. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what was wrong. And then I realized is that Roblox only saves data from the server and not from the client. But for now, we're leaving that behind. Right now, we're gonna add the energy bar to show how much energy you get from every time you get energy. I cut it short early, so I didn't have to let y'all go through all that. But I just added a text label, then added the code, and now it's there. Right here is me adding the code to the text label so it shows up every time I get energy. So here we go. And voila, as you see now, we have the energy bar. And then we have the energy at the top right, shows us how much energy we have. And once we put 100, I was like, oh, that's cool. And then I realized the other problem that we had. Then I realized the problem was probably caused from the fact that I have the studio access API services on. So I turned it on and see if that worked and fixed the problem. Here, I was just going around checking, making sure the code and stuff was actually working. And then I was like, let me see if I make a test script to see if it works. And when I load in, it keeps it at 100. And so that's what I did. And oh my god, you see that it actually worked. And for my first time doing scripts, I really liked it. it wasn't really much, but it is still day one. And so day one concludes of energy stats, data saving, and a basic UI. Next video, I'm adding auto income, so energy increases over time. And that's when the game start actually feeling like a game. And if you've ever wanted to make a Roblox game but never knew where to start or never had the motivation, you're literally watching me figure out in real time. So you'll learn from me. We'll learn from each other if you comment down below. So this is the end of the video. Subscribe if you want to see how bad it gets before it gets good. But that's Kai Deving out. And I'll see you guys in day 2. See you then. Don't forget to subscribe.